that these have 8 resistance bands built in these pants, and there's 4 in each leg. Hey guys, welcome back to another As Seen by SB video where I let you know whether a product is worth the investment or not. And today I am partnering with the Agogie brand and I'm featuring their exclusive Agogie Resistance Pants, and these are also featured on the Tamron Hall show. Now I'm sure you're wondering what are resistance pants, so in this video I'm going to explain to you and show you how having resistance bands built into these tights really enhances your workout. But first, let's make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any products that I may review that may be of interest to you, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're also notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you find that this video is helpful to you, I would definitely appreciate a thumbs up. But for now, let's get on to the review. So before I get into the demonstration, I just want to give you a few details of the concept behind the Agogie Resistant Pants. So here's what these pants look like, and I will try them on later just so you can see how these fit. But what makes these different than any other type of workout tights is that these have 8 resistance bands built in these pants, and there's 4 in each leg. Also, there's 2 options you can choose from with these pants. You have the 40 plus, which is what I have, and then you also have the 20 plus. Now the difference between the two is the 40 plus has a stronger resistant for shorter exercise durations like strength training and sprints. And the 20 plus has a lighter resistance for longer exercise durations like marathons and endurance training. All right, so I'm ready to try these on so we can get on to the demonstration. So here's what they look like on. And as I mentioned, there are resistance bands built within the liner. And you want to make sure that these stirrups here are hooked underneath your heel, and that's very important because that's what causes the stretch of these resistance bands. Now as far as the sizing goes, you definitely want to make sure you check the sizing chart to make sure that these fit comfortably. They have these available in men's sizes and in plus sizes. Now these are size medium and I'm 5'7" and I weigh between 144 and 148. But on any given day, I could be a hamburger away from needing a large, so if you are on the fence about what size you should get, I would definitely go up one size. All right, so enough talking, let's get on to the workout.
Now the benefits with these, unlike traditional resistance bands, which only work in one direction, you're able to move in all different directions and you're not restricted in any way while still experiencing resistance. These help with the contraction of your muscles every time you lift your legs, for example, doing stair climbers, doing bending exercises like squats or lateral squats, and it just really works out those hip flexors, which in time results in increased speed. It's also no surprise that professional athletes and collegiate athletes have been training and using these because it really gives you a full workout for toning your legs, and it can also help with the rehabilitation of your joints as well. And obviously, the best workout in these pants are workouts that are doing cardiovascular training, because if you're just doing weight training, it doesn't really help. You want to do workouts that are really working out your legs. The pants took a little bit of getting used to when I first started working out with these. Like I mentioned in the beginning, you just have to make sure your fit is right. And I didn't think they were working at first when I started my first workout, but it wasn't until I did a full workout that I really felt the benefits of these pants.
All right, so that was just a small sample of all of the exercises that you could do to get the most out of these pants. The options are endless. But overall, if you're looking to improve your explosiveness and your power and you're training for any type of sports and you want to get an edge and enhance your workout, you definitely want to consider these pants. But they're also just as effective for things like yoga, walking, jogging. I mean, I even wore them to work one day. I just wore them under my pants. And lastly, just like anything we purchase to improve our overall health and conditioning of our body, it's an investment. Thankfully, Agogie provides discount programs for military, teachers, students, first responders, and there's a variety of payment plans. Let me know if you guys have any questions about the Agogie Resistant Pants, and if you're interested in learning about other home workout equipment that'll help you get in shape, be sure to check out my playlist that I've attached. But as always, thank you guys for watching, and if this video was helpful to you, I would totally appreciate a thumbs up. And if you enjoy the content of this channel, As Seen by SB, where I let you know whether a product's worth the investment or not, Agogie Resistant Pants are definitely SB approved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.